Easy Japanese for English speakers. Let's think about I in Japanese. Hi everyone, I'm Jessica. 皆さんこんにちは、ジェシカです。As you know, there's only one first person pronoun in English. It's I. However, Japanese people use several FPPs like 私、僕、俺、自分、or わし、etc. 私、僕、私、自分。If I give all of them, it will be more than 20 words. You must be wondering why there are so many words and how do they use them differently. It is considered to be formed by long Japanese history and all-class system by Japanese scholars. わらは、わし、拙者、オラ。However, no one uses all of them in daily life. They use only one or two of them. Today, I will introduce 5 FPPs that are commonly used in Japan and how people come to familiar with them while they're growing up. In my case, I started being aware of 2 FPPs after entering kindergarten. They are 私 and 僕. I think these 2 are the first terms to use for kindergarteners. So, most of all girls use 私 and most of all boys use 僕 as I. 私、僕. After entering elementary school, boys started to use 俺 because it sounds more cool than 僕. 僕、俺. When they come to about 10 years old, they commence reading manga. By reading them, they learn additional new word わし which old men usually use in manga, though it is used in jokes and performances among young people. わし. After they grew up to become members of society, both men and women are required to use 私 mainly, since it is treated as an official expression in public. 私 私. Therefore, Japanese textbooks usually translate I to 私. I, 私. Still, when men talk to their friends, they often use 俺 and 自分. Women use 私 and 自分. 私 and 自分. 俺 and 自分. I hope you can get an image by listening to this story. I'll explain about second person pronoun next time. Thank you for watching. If you don't understand, please let me know. See you next time.